Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk with you about your equipment. So usually when I say that, if people don't know I'm in IT, they usually think I'm talking about their trucks and their trailers and such. If they do know I'm in IT, they know I'm talking about their computers. But I wanted to give you an example. And I have a few bullet points. So do you budget for your equipment? So when it comes to a truck, you need trucks. You got to buy it, insure it, maintain it, get licenses. You know up front you're going to have to put in gas, oil, rotate the tires. In a few years you're going to have to replace it, so that's in the back of your mind. You're not going to be able to run it forever. Up front that you're going to have to invest in it and use it in order to get the result you need, and that it's equipment. You got to take care of it, and you will need to be replacing it, as I said. So most businesses I know have those expenses built into their budgets. So when they're thinking about bidding on a job, they have an overhead number in their head that includes dealing with their equipment, keeping it up to date and replacing it. Now, when I talk to companies about their IT, more often than not, there is no budget. And they make it sound like I'm trying to cheat them out of money or something. 25 years ago, you didn't need computers to run a construction company. Nowadays, you cannot run a construction company without computers. They are an integral part of what we do. Yet, we're not budgeting for it, and then we're all surprised when we've got to fork out a lot of money. So taking that truck example and just talking about computers for a minute, computer equipment, also ages and needs to be replaced. Just like old model of cars, there are old operating systems. There's old software. They need to be replaced. They need to be upgraded. Switches, they run 24/7. Yes, fans wear out. Things break down. They need maintenance. They need firmware updates. You have to plan for that. Firewalls, that's aging equipment also. They have an end of life. They are only good for so long, and they need to be maintained in order to give you the protection they're designed to have. Backups. Do the backups, people. Don't skimp on the backups. Get a quality backup that you can recover from. So I am surprised at how much pushback I get on this idea. But if you stop and think about it, computers are an integral part of your business. You cannot run your business without them. Everything from putting your estimate together, getting your payroll out, filing your taxes. You have to have computers for this. Now you have to have them to get plans and drawings. And now you have to be on Teams meetings. You have to be on the computer. So what we'd like to do is ask you to do some planning ahead. It's mid-year or so. Start thinking about what you need to do to maintain and ultimately replace and swap out the computers, the firewalls, the software that you need. You have old stuff in there, put a pen to paper, figure out what you need, go to your estimators and build it into your overhead costs. Put a budget together and then check in with your IT people to make sure that that budget makes sense. And then let's work together to get you what you need so you can run your business in the field and know that the stuff on your computers is working well, and we'll take care of that part for you. Thanks for your time. Any questions, you know where to find us. Have a great rest of your week.